a very demure drink. Anyways, come with me for dinner in Costa Rica. It's our last night in Costa Rica, and this restaurant was recommended to us, so let's go and eat. So what we're having is this one, which is like shrimp in a citrus sauce made with butter, coconut milk, basil, garlic, lemon, peas, served with spiced toast and rice. So I'll not lie to you, the meal was not like outstanding. It was good. And then we're also having a chicken breast in a Caribbean coconut sauce with a hint of spice. 2 sides, we're having plantains and vegetables. So the chicken was supposed to be like Jamaican flavorful, but it wasn't even Jamaican. It wasn't that spicy or flavorful, but it was well cooked and it was good. I would say dinner was probably like a 7 or an 8. Passion fruit, lemon, mint. It's really good. So the restaurant was in like a very popular touristy area. University students were around. You could tell that young people were there. It was very lively. And it was just giving Caribbean restaurante vibes. Anyways, let's go back to the hotel. Thank you for watching. Bye.